Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Waqar Maqsood. I'm dermatologist and hair transplant surgeon. I am certified from Pakistan Medical and Dental Council as a dermatologist and also from Dubai Health Authority. My today's discussion is about hair transplant surgery that is now has become very popular because of the increasing cases of androgenic alopecia and because of the very successful I.H.I procedures that we do. Hair transplant surgery is performed for all of the cases, especially for men for androgenic alopecia, and for this procedure is limited for 1 or 2 days. Sometimes it goes up to 3 days because of all of the grafts that we take from back side of the head and then shift from the back side of the head to the front side of the head. And for this we take some time, 10 to 12 hours in one day. 4,000 to 6,000 grafts can change the shape of the face of one person. And for the hair transplant surgery particularly, when you go, you always go for a doctor who is recognized, who has done maximum cases. And for this surgery, I have done around 2,000 plus cases. You can see my Facebook page also that I have around more than 100 reviews by the patients. And from last many years, I'm doing in different countries, especially in Islamabad, Dubai, Thailand. And I welcome you all in the Maxwell Hospital for this surgery. Thank you.